Greetings, greetings, greetings. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, whenever you're watching this, dear friends. And how are you today? That's a loaded question, isn't it? How are you? Gosh, how are you? How are you? Yeah, I can. Sometimes we have to really just take stock, tune in, and just really check with ourselves how am I? How are you today? So let's use our practice this week to take stock of where we are right now, become present in this present moment, and then just to use our breath to release, to acknowledge all we've done, accomplished, not done, not felt we've not done, whatever. Just use the breath, become present in the present moment, and just realign with our heartbeat, realign with what's really ours to take on. Because as women, we just take on everything. As sensitive souls, we absorb it all. We have to keep practicing, have to keep reminding ourselves of the power of presence, the power of setting our boundaries. I know that one. All right, so mindful of time and space. So when you're ready, find that space, maybe a physical space, or it might even be a mental space you can go into, where you know you can go and be. Whether it's physical or mental, just somewhere where you can go and be. And when you scan the horizon, you feel safe. Everything is as it can be in the present moment. And you feel safe enough just to literally give yourself time and space and permission to let go, to breathe, to surrender. So once you've found that physical or internal space and you've got your body comfortable, maybe swaying or doing what you need to do to come into that comfortable, dignified position, that signals to the brain that, oh, Ntathu is getting ready to reclaim her space, reclaim her mind, her energy, her time. Once you've done that, once you've got into that space, lengthen the spine. Allow your back to lengthen, to allow the buttocks to really connect with the surface you're sitting on. And just get a sense of opening up your heart centre, allowing your heart to open. Squeeze the shoulder blades towards each other. And if that feels vulnerable, if that feels like you've exposed yourself too much, then bring it in a bit, yeah? Find where it feels comfortable for you to expand and open up, and just take it from there. And from that space, see what it feels like right now to use that expression to come back to your breath. To notice how you're breathing. To be aware of the sensations of the breath as it flows in and out through the nostrils. And don't chase the breath, just allow it to be. Notice what part or parts of the body move as you breathe in and as you breathe out. Maybe you can feel some kind of movement in the belly area. Maybe you can sense the ribs expanding and contracting. Or as you get more efficient and connected with your breath, you might even be able to hear the sound of the breath with the back of the throat. Almost like an ocean sound. might even get a sense of the breath flowing in and out through the nostrils. The warm breath or the cool breath as you breathe in. And maybe you can sense one breath, one nostril being more open, more receptive compared to the other side. So by taking time just to spend the next moment, the next minute, really connecting with the breath, exploring the journey from belly to crown, it really helps you to come present into the present moment, to let go of what no longer serves you or brings you joy. So I invite you to sit for about a minute, breathing in, I am present, I release. Breathing in, I am present. Exhale, I release. Find your own rhythm. I am present. I release. We'll do one more together. I am present. I release. And just be still. Find your position of stillness. And just quietly say those words to yourself as you breathe in and out. I am present. I release. I am present. I release. I am present. I release. When the mind wanders, you notice that you're not being present. Gently acknowledge where the mind has wandered. Acknowledge the thought, the sensation. Move if you need to move to feel comfortable. And then just softly come back and say the words, I am present, I release. I am present, I release. I am present, I release. And then just, take your time. You may want to sit longer. You may want to grab your journal or your tablet or something and just write down, what does it mean to you when you feel I am present, I release? Just what comes to mind? Can you recall times in your life when you have been present, and how did that feel? Or can you recall a time when you release, you let go of your attachments to something which you know wasn't bringing you joy or serving you, and you just cut those cords. So just take time just to, during the day, as you go through the day, every now and then just pause and quietly say those words. Find your breath, hand on your heart, and just quietly say to yourself, I am present. I release. I am present. I release. Well done. And then just notice how you feel when you start to re-engage with your day. Well done. So, self-love hug. Well done, dear friends. Well done, gentle hearts. Well done. Well done. So I encourage you during the day, pause, say quietly to yourself, I am present, I release. And let us know how you feel, how you experience the meditation, taking time, just become present with your breath in your day. Take care. Thanks for all your support, your love and participation, and look forward to meeting you, connecting with you in the next guided video. Take care, dear hearts. Namaste. Cheers. Peace. Peace.